Hi, I'm Renee. I clean, declutter, and organize my followers' homes for free. In this episode, I'll be cleaning and decluttering a laundry room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. This will be a 3-part series. Thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video, and I am so grateful for their sponsorship. Their sponsorship helps me help more people for free. BetterHelp is the world's largest therapy service, and it's 100% online. With BetterHelp, you can tap into a network of over 30,000 licensed and experienced therapists who can help you with a wide range of issues. If your therapist isn't the right fit for any reason, you can switch to a new therapist at no additional charge. Then you can talk to your therapist however you feel comfortable, whether it's via text, chat, phone, or video call. You can message your therapist at any time and schedule live sessions when it's convenient to you. Get 10% off your first month at BetterHelp, that's HELP.com/lessmess, and I've also linked them below in the description. I find when I go into homes that are extremely cluttered, the client tells me that they are suffering from symptoms such as anxiety, depression, and ADHD-like symptoms. I view clutter as a symptom of a possible trauma alongside other symptoms like depression and anxiety. Healing trauma involves addressing symptoms and gaining an inner power to take action, starting with small tasks like decluttering. Taking that step towards seeking professional help can be transformative and an empowering experience. I truly believe that talking to a therapist can make a positive difference in your life. So I started out in the laundry room, which is just off of the kitchen. So when I got to this home, the homeowner said that the goal would be to get this laundry room cleaned out so that the washer that you see to the left could be removed because it stopped working quite a while ago. As I'm clearing things out of the laundry room, the homeowner is telling me what she would like to keep and what she would like to donate, or what would go to trash. And once I got the laundry room done, I then started on the kitchen. The goal for the kitchen was to clear a path so we would be able to get the washer out. So here is the backstory. I spent 4 days in this 800 square foot home. The homeowner is in her mid-70s and has been struggling to declutter her house. She stated her biggest offender is papers, magazine, books, and mail. She has many physical ailments. She has AFib, which is an abnormal heartbeat, fibromyalgia, she's had 2 total knee replacements, and a shoulder that needs repaired. She has never married and for many years took care of her mother. She also spent 25 years as a sister in the Franciscan order, where she dedicated herself to serving the poor, the sick, and the marginalized. She is also an avid cat lover and had 8 cats in the home. She originally had quite a few more cats that were strays that were outside. So originally I was going to reorganize this food cupboard. After some discussion, we agreed that putting some of the extra food in a plastic bin and moving it to the spare bedroom would be the best idea because she keeps all of her additional hurricane food in that area. She lives in an area that often experiences hurricanes. I removed the trash from the sink and on the counter, clearing the way to tidy up the rest of the kitchen. Since her hot water tank was on the smaller side, I waited for hot water in between each cleaning task. Onto the stove area and countertop. It's time to make them sparkle. I also cleaned the inside of the oven. Here's the before picture. And of course, I forgot to take an after picture. After the oven was cleaned, all of these pans stayed in the oven. The stovetop and the drip pans were very clean, so it didn't take much to wipe them down. As I was clearing off the counter to the right, I was asking her how often she used all of these appliances. She stated that she uses these appliances very often. So I just cleaned them up and then moved on to the cabinet above those appliances. In this cabinet, she wanted me to check to see if there was any expired food and then reorganize it. I didn't end up organizing every single cabinet since she was already satisfied with how most of them were arranged. In this cabinet to the left of the stove, a lot of these items she wanted donated. Okay, on to the rolling shelf to the left of the sink and all of the spices. It looks like these spices have been expired for quite a few years. I went ahead and cleaned them out to make room for the fresh ones that she had. Next up is the table next to the rolling shelf. This dishwasher was empty, however it did not work. She stated she was going to have a handyman pull the dishwasher out and make this a cabinet with more shelves. The white appliance you see to the left of the dishwasher is actually a portable washing machine. She would have to carry buckets of water into her portable washing machine to do her laundry. At the end of each day, I took several loads of her wash back to the hotel to do laundry at the hotel laundromat. This red rack at the bottom was used exclusively for cat food and cat items. Since the bulk cans of cat food were quite heavy, it was a bit challenging to open the drawer smoothly. So to make things easier, I found some plastic floor containers for the cat food and placed them in there. Then I arranged the lighter cat food items into the drawer, and now accessing the cat food will be much easier for her. If you noticed, I was sweeping in smaller areas instead of tackling the entire space all at once. It felt more manageable to break down into chunks rather than taking it on all at once. Towards the end, I made sure to give everything a final sweep and then went ahead and mopped the floor twice to make sure everything was thoroughly clean and tidied. So here are the before and after pictures of the laundry room and the kitchen. She was so excited to see how clean and tidy this got. Fortunately, she had a thoughtful friend who arranged a used washing machine for her. This meant that not only would she have a replacement, but they would assist in removing the old broken one. Please feel free to hit the like button because it lets me know how useful this video is to you and if I should create more content like this. Her brother kindly brought over a trailer to transport all the items that would be donated. Additionally, all the trash was moved outside. I did discover more cat food and added it to the stack with all the other cat food. On to the bathroom. I started by removing a lot of the items out of the bathroom. This area had a bunch of towels, which I found out later was used as a cat perch. In this hamper was a bunch of knickknacks. Once again, I had to sweep and mop the floor in sections, and I did that twice. Throughout my 4 days, I dedicated a portion each day to working on the tub. I utilized various cleaning products specifically tailored to tackle different types of dirt, soap, scum, calcium, lime, and rust. It also helped to use a razor blade. I'm lucky enough to help these families. When you watch this video to the end, you're helping more families to declutter and organize their homes. This is the shower curtain she couldn't take down. Another day and back at it cleaning the tub. This razor was able to scrape off so much soap scum. When I left, I got a text message from the homeowner and she said, "Wow! Who knew seeing a white shiny tub first thing in the morning could bring a smile to my face?" She stated she just didn't realize how much little elbow grease she had left. When I'm cleaning, I usually forget what it looks like before, but oh my goodness, this looks fabulous. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.